Did you have the choice of actually thinking whether I should start off with organic traffic or paid traffic? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about exactly that, guys. Welcome guys to the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And if you're interested in tips on marketing, trading, and just funding your skill sets, yes, we're all about skill sets. Consider subscribing, guys. In this video, we're going to be talking, as I mentioned, about organic and or paid traffic. Which one is better? What makes sense? And stick till the very end, because I'm going to give you my personal strategy that has helped me within my network marketing, affiliate marketing, and as well everything else that I do online. Okay, so stay tuned till the very end. I'll give you the final tips there. So guys, you might ask yourself, what is the first thing about organic traffic? Does it make sense to start with organic traffic? But I'm going to do the opposite. Let's start off with the paid version, okay? Let's start off with exactly the paid version of what we're going to be doing. So guys, paid traffic. Paid traffic is anything like Facebook ads, Google ads, and solo ads, anything that you have to pay for in order for you to get your results that you require. Now, if you're in affiliate marketing, if you're in network marketing, if you're in any kind of marketing, for example, you definitely need traffic. You need traffic to convert, right? You need people, eyeballs to your offer or service that then convert to a customer or a client as you, depending on your kind of service that you're doing, right? Now, that being said, obviously paid traffic has some plus points, or you can say it has some pros and cons. The pros to paid traffic is, first and foremost, the thing that I love the most is that it's scalable, okay? It means that you can test out with a low amount of traffic, a low amount of budget, and then scale up pretty quickly because you're making what we call a return of your investment. Basically, you're spending $1, but you're getting $3 back or $2 back. So you have that extra amount to understand this is the profit margin that I'm getting from the paid traffic. So I need to scale up by X amount in order for me to actually generate that kind of revenue if I want to generate a certain amount of revenue per month, okay? So that's one of the things of paid traffic that I personally really like, the scalability. Now, the second point, or the second tip that I personally will give you with regards to paid traffic is that you do not need, to be honest, you really do not need a lot of copy in your sales page in order for you to generate that lead. See, the thing is, you're paying for the traffic, right? So you're paying for people or eyeballs to come and visit your landing page, and therefore what you need to be is fast, is quick, is something that generates curiosity and gets them to put their email address or their contact details in order for you to then scale up in the future. Getting into the third point, guys, the third point of paid traffic that I personally like is that you can target, you have geo-targeting of your traffic. So if you need somebody very localized, if you're a small business that can only operate, for example, I live in the Czech Republic, so just in the Czech Republic, then I can advertise just to the Czech Republic. I pay for geo-targeting. I pay for those people who are just in that area, and then I can continue to scale up my business based on the people who are within that area and would like to see the kind of content that I'm sharing. So those are the main three topics that I personally like about paid traffic. I'm going to get into the organic section and tell you the top three sections that I like about the organic side. Okay, organic traffic. The first thing that I want to share with you with regards to organic traffic, guys, is the fact that you get people who have spent the time, the effort, the willpower, gone through your material, have built that know, like, and trust factor with you over time, and therefore are interested to be your clients. Why do I think this is such a pro? This is such an advantage for organic traffic compared to paid traffic? Well, specifically because organic traffic this way allows the sales process to be much smoother, and actually you are enjoying working with your client because they know what to expect from you. Whereas when you're using paid traffic, there's a lot that goes into getting that lead out of curiosity, and you can't really bridge this gap between know, like, and trust. You spend the next week getting to know, like, and trust you. But if with organic traffic, because they've gone on your blog, because they've gone on your YouTube channel, wherever they have seen you and got to know you, the traffic converts much better and it's easier to have those conversations with people. Okay, so that's the first thing that I love about organic traffic. The second thing, guys, that I really love about organic traffic is the fact that the content is there to stay. It works for you day in and day out, 24/7, no matter what. You take the time, the effort, you put in all the hard work to create that piece of content. And when you create that piece of content, bang, that's when it actually converts for you for the long term. So it may not start off that way, but it'll end up because people go back and check out your content right in the beginning when you build authority. So this is the second thing that I really love about organic content. The third and final thing that I love about organic traffic, guys, is the fact that there is a snowball effect. You put in the work now. As I mentioned in the previous tip, you put in the effort, you put in the work in order to create a piece of content that stays with you. But this content gets better and better over time. Basically, that one piece of work works for you forever as long as that piece of content exists. But it just brings and brings and brings. It keeps producing for you. So organic traffic will continuously produce for you, whether you like it or not, 24/7. And that is a leverage. It creates the most amount of leverage. So now I'm going to answer your question, guys. What do you pick? Organic, paid? Which one is better? So this is my answer for you guys. Which one is better really depends on what kind of strategy you want to go ahead. So let's give you an example. I want to make sure that you guys understand for affiliate marketing, for network marketing, what is the better solutions. Why do I say these two specific areas? It's because that's where I am mainly based, in affiliate marketing and network marketing. In affiliate marketing, I would say you would have a mixture of organic and paid traffic, okay? If you are an affiliate marketer that wants to get quick results, you don't want to have a website, you don't want to build authority, but you have a advertising budget, you have a budget to spend on your traffic, then definitely go ahead with paid traffic. But I would always add a bit of organic content to produce organic traffic, even for those affiliate marketers who do that. Why? Because when you stop sending those solo ads, when you stop sending those Facebook ads or any kind of paid traffic to your landing page to convert a sale and get that affiliate commission, what happens there, guys, is that you're missing out on the opportunity to regenerate that traffic. Yes, you get an email address. Yes, you get a phone number. You get the contact details, right? And that is traffic that you own on your email list. However, that email traffic can actually generate more because you're sending that traffic that you own to the organic side, like your blog, like your YouTube channel, etc. So guys, consider always with affiliate marketing, consider having a paid traffic a source and organic traffic source in combination. Okay, that's my specific recommendation for affiliate marketing. However, it's really up to you. You can start affiliate marketing completely for free, create organic traffic source like a blog, like a YouTube channel that generates you sales and leads over the course of that time. Now, it is a slow progress if you go in only for organic traffic. So consider which one is an option for you. Obviously, I like a mixture. I use paid traffic and organic traffic for my affiliate marketing options. Okay, so let's get into the network marketing side, guys. Now, the network marketing side, I would say, is a better option to have an organic traffic source like a YouTube channel. Let's use an example of these network marketers that Fraser Brooks or so many others. They are working both paid strategies, but they're also working on more organic strategies. Why? Because the know, like, and trust factor increases, the authority increases. At the end of the day, with the network marketing, people join people. They don't join the product. The product is something that they leverage in order for them to have that income stream in place. So when it comes to network marketing, guys, I would specifically say organic strategies are better. But again, I'm not the authority in this space. I'm just giving you my opinion. I'm just giving you what I think is the better option with these two areas. Okay, I personally focus on more organic strategies with network marketing in my network marketing journey, and with affiliate marketing, it's a mixture of paid and organic strategies. So there you have it, guys. Those are my strategies. I hope that it gave you an idea what is best for you, organic traffic or paid traffic. That's up to you to decide. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. I hope you like this kind of content. I am going to be sharing more tips and strategies. So if you do like the video and you like the kind of content, I'm going to be improving and getting myself much better in YouTube content. So let me know in the comments below what you would like to know from me in terms of marketing, and I will definitely get them out on this channel. There are more how-to videos that are coming out about YouTube and so many other things, guys. I'm super excited to have you guys on the channel, and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true, because it is possible.